Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to be showing you the Unisub honeycomb ornament.
Right after this. Okay, so today we're going to be working with our Unisub honeycomb ornament. It is a two-sided ornament and it does come with a ribbon. So after you're done sublimating, you can put the ribbon on and then give us a gift. So let's get started. We are going to be using our Sawgrass SG500 today using the Sawgrass print manager. We are also using just a standard sublimation paper. Okay, so here we go. Again, this is printed with our SG500 on standard sublimation paper.
All right, and we're going to trim it. And then we're going to fold it in half. Okay, and you are able to press both sides at the same time, so make sure you have a generous bleed, which you will have if you use our templates. And we're gonna press at 385 for 1:20. And we're on medium pressure. All right, there we go. Press both sides at the same time.
So now you have one personalized ornament. And thank you for watching our video tutorial. Don't forget to check out our product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com. Thank you.